In this video, I'll be showing how to fit a female slip 2 connect to your hose reel. The first thing I recommend is to prepare the hose. Now, in order to do that, cut away maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches of hose. This will allow for a nice clean cut hose ready to fit tightly onto the connector. Next, remove the cap from the connector, put this onto the hose. Using an O-clip, this one is a 13 to 15 millimeter. The reason being is because I'm fitting an 8mm slip 2 connect along with an 8mm mini bore hose. If it had been a 6mm slip 2 connect, we would have had a 6mm micro bore hose, and we would have used a 11 to 13mm O-clip. But this one is a 13 to 15mm O-clip. Put that on next. Using Ex-ceed innovation lubricant, which I highly recommend. Normally you can use hot water to soften the hose, but with this you don't need to. And it also as well, it stops the hose from stretching, which you get a much better fit. So just put some of the lubricant around the barb on the female slip 2 connect. You can be quite generous with the lubricant. Next, rub the lubricant on the inside of the hose. Next, push the female slip 2 connect into the hose, making sure that the hose backs up right to the base of the connector. This is a very important step when fitting the O-clip. Don't push the O-clip right against the back of the female slip 2 connect. Put it about halfway between the base of the slip connector and the barb. That's the best place to put it. Next, using zero clip pincers, just lightly crimp in place that side, go to the other side, lightly crimp in place, go back to the other side, crimp it completely down, and finally on the other side, crimp that completely down too. So it should look like that. It should sit somewhere between halfway between the connector and the barb. Next, fit the cap in place, pull that in place firmly, and that is fitted now to your hose reel hose. So thank you for watching the video.